Here is an easy sight words activity. You need a circle punch, colorful paper, a cupcake pan, word strips, a black marker, and a craft ball. Start by punching out 12 circles. You can write random sight words or ones that your child is having trouble with on the circles. Place one word in each spot. Have your kids toss the ball and write the word it lands on 3 times on a word strip. This will allow them to practice spelling and recognizing the sight word. There is no set time limit to this game, and the words can be changed at any time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.